Hello guys, welcome back to the SwiftUI tutorial series again. So we will start with from where we left. Now last time we were loading uh, the simulator, and then I was explaining you about some files and everything. So now we will actually start with adding some new views and controls to the screen, and we'll see how it works. So before start adding the new views, first of all I will see that there are different ways in a Swift UI to edit the views, to change the property of the views. So the first option is to directly click on command and click on the property, and we'll open the suggestion here. There are different options available, but for now I am more interested in this option, which is Swift UI inspector. So this option will open the inspector properties. I mean, whatever properties are available for this particular control, it will open it here, and it will allow us to change the UI things for that property, like font. We can change to like title, and change the text to I am so excited, and then it will be affected here. And the cool thing is that whatever you are changing in the inspector, it will be also changed to the code directly. And as you know that we are using the live rendering here, so it will be also directly rendering to the simulator also. And whatever you are changing it here, so that's the first way to do the changes. The another way is to do the changes from the simulator directly. Just click on that particular control command and click, and it will open it. So inspect Swift UI inspector, and then you can do some changes from here also, like from title to, let's make it inherited, so it will goes to the default one. Then let's open it again and make it title back. You can see that it's also changing inside the code even. So now the next thing is that to understand the main thing of the particular UI is that we have one structure here, which is in the structure we have one body variable which is returning some view, right? So it means that this particular view can return a single view type, any of the view type it contains. And this structure is only available for, I mean, it is only required for a viewing purpose. If I'll remove this from here, and you can see that this will stop working now. I mean, let's remove it from here, and then the preview will be stopped, because we actually, this particular structure is only for the previewing purpose. It's not our actual code that we need it here. So you can see that the preview is stopped and everything. So let's enable it for now, as we will require it to see the live changes and everything. So the next thing is that uh, let's add another view here, and it will give us one error. Let's see what error it gives us. Okay, so the error is that function declares an opaque return type. So the main reason of the error is that this particular body variable can only return a single view. Here we are returning two views. That's the problem. So instead of returning two views inside, we need to clip or bound these two views, embed these two views into a single view. And to do that, what we need to do is just we need to use a parent view like vstack. Don't worry about this vstack control for now. In the next video I will explain you about this in detail: vstack, hstack and zstack. So we will look into it in the next video. Let's remove it and try again. It will run, and then we can see two properties, two things displaying here. Yeah, one with big title. So let's remove the hello world from here. Let's remove I'm so excited here to make the strings distinct. So text property is similar to the label in UI label in UI kit. VStack is similar to the UI stack view vertical in UI kit here. And now let's add one image. So if you want to add the image, then the control is image, and then we don't need to do anything. We just need to pass the image name. So I have one image already available in the assets. It's named logo. So I'm just using that image here. I just need to resume it again. Now as you guys can see that this image is displaying and it's going outside of the screen. Actually we don't want it to be outside of the screen, so we can make it dot resizable. Yeah, and then you can see that it fits to the screen, but it is using the all the available space, and we don't want the image to be stretched, so we can give it some frame property to make it exactly what we want, like 300 by 300, and then alignment center, so it will be display in the center of the screen with 300 by 300. And if you are already worked with the iOS developer before, then you know that the stack property is like whatever space you give it, it will expand based on the height of the views, right? So that's why without the frame it was using all of the space in the stack view, but if we give it a frame, then it will use the whatever space we are giving it, whatever frame we are providing it. So that's how we can add different views to the content view, and then it will be available to us directly in the simulator, rendering to us directly into the simulator. So in the next video I will explain that how we can actually format the different views. I mean how we can place the views at a different place based on the UI requirements, and for that we will use different type of stacking available to us. I will explain you all the stacking properties and everything. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.